Hello there. Welcome back to Tech Enthusiast channel. This is MD Officer. I hope all of you are doing well. So in my today's video, I'm going to show you how can you configure port forwarding in Fortigate Firewall. So as you also know what is port forwarding, why it is used. So you also know what is port forwarding. So port forwarding basically used to provide some accessibilities to any kinds of any necessary application or web services from outside network to inside network, or inside to outside, from public IPs to private IPs, public to public, and etc. It can be used in many ways, in many purposes. Okay. Here I'm going to configure port forwarding to ensure reachability of our organization's CCTV from outside network to inside network. Basically the requirement is from our management and others is to view the CCTV from their home or abroad, etc. Okay, so what to do to configure a port forward? So you have to create some virtual IPs for different types of TCP or UDP based services or ports, and then you have to create virtual IPs groups. Then you have to assign these groups, virtual IPs groups, into a firewall policies from outside to inside, I mean WAN to LAN. So after that your users can access the CCTV from outside network to inside network. So to configure port forwarding, you just have to go policy and object, then you have to select virtual IPs. Just because this is my new firewall which is already implemented in one of my divisions or subsidiaries, which is recently implemented. That's why there is no port forwarding related configuration. So I'm going to click on virtual IPs. So virtual IPs so I'm going to configure the port forwarding for the Hua video network video recorder, I mean the Hua NVR. So I have to create different types of virtual IPs for different TCP or UDP based protocols, etc. I already note down the protocol information and IPs which is required to configure the port forwarding. So at first I'm going to configure the TCP port, which is 3777. I always select a name which is easily memorable or easily recognizable. So I already give a name. Then I'm going to select an interface. I'm going to select the interface as this is 1 2. External IPs should be my WAN1 interfaces IP, and map address, which is local network address or local address, which is this one. So then I have to select port forwarding, okay, which is I already said that TCP, port TCP, so which is 3 etc, and map to also the same port. Okay, then I have to click OK. Then you can see one virtual IP is already added. Then I have to create new, because again I have to create another virtual IPs for HTTPs or HTTPs accessibilities. So also I have to select my outgoing interfaces, outgoing IPs. And map IP address also. Then I have to select port forwarding and IP address, protocol number. So for external, internal, external port and map port should be same, or you can configure different according to your requirement. So in Sophos actually the port forwarding configuration is easier than Fortinet, because in Sophos you can declare each and every services in one virtual IPs or etc, but here you cannot. As you can see, if I try to enter another ports by segregating with comma, it is not allowed. So that's why here I need to create each and every virtual IPs for different types of protocols or services. Then I have to create another virtual IPs for RSTP port. Public interfaces, public IPs, private IPs. and the port. Here I'm just select a similar color for one NVR services, and I'm going to select another color for another NVR services. That's it. So I just complete one all recurrent for one NVR. Then I'm going to create a virtual IP group which is named with similar color, and don't forget to select the interfaces which is necessary. Then you have to click on members and select each and every individual virtual IPs and click on OK. After that you can see one virtual IPs group already added. Then I just have to create a firewall policies which is required from public network to private network accessibilities. So as here I'm going to select SD1 as my incoming interfaces. So my outgoing interfaces I'm going to select as a LAN. From outgoing I have to select all, and in destination I have to select the virtual IPs group which I created. Then I have to select services, etc. Antivirus and IPS. I'm just cross-checking the policies. Then I have to click on OK. After that you just have to put the firewall policies to its appropriate places to work according to the firewall ACLs. So now you can see, am I able to reach my NVR from public IP after hitting public IP. So here is my public IP along with port. Okay, then hit enter. Now you can see it is loaded to my Yahoo NVR, which means, so when I hit on public IPs by using the specific port number, it will going to redirect from public IPs to local IPs, which IPs is related to the NVR. So this is how the port forwarding is working from outside to inside network. So I hope this is going to be a very helpful video for you. So if you are interested and this is going to be very helpful video for you. So this is going to be the so I hope this is going to be a very helpful video for you. So if you don't want to miss my another upcoming videos, then you can subscribe my channel and also hit the bell button to get notification when I uploaded any new videos to my Tech Enthusiast channel. Till then, best of luck and goodbye.